Hello and welcome to this video. I am Subail. There has been a lot of FUD recently about Cathie Wood's ARK Invest selling 1.8 million shares of Palantir. Now, this news is 100% correct, but the real motivation behind selling those stocks by ARK Invest through two of its ETFs is different, and the FUD is completely based on false framing of actual facts. So yes, basically two of ARK's ETFs, ARK Innovation ETF and ARK Next Generation Internet ETF, sold 1.461 million and 0.375 million shares of Palantir respectively. And on last Thursday's closing price, this would have valued at roughly 52.9 million. Now you must remember that it is a very small percentage of the 35 million shares of Palantir which ARK holds in its different ETFs. So selling just 1.8 million out of 35 million, which are just around 5% of the total holdings, is not something very disastrous as media projects. So we have to understand that ETF is managed in a professional manner and risk management is a big priority of fund managers. So the whole intent was to balance out the risk. So you have to remember that the ETFs trimmed just 5% of their positions since Palantir stock was up 17% over the past 30 days before the selling of Palantir stocks, and everyone was jubilant at that time. And as Warren Buffett says, be fearful when the others are greedy. So therefore, for ARK to just sell 5% of its Palantir stock was a way to balance out the risk. And people were caught up in FUD that just picked a small fact which showed just one piece of the big jigsaw puzzle, or the true big picture. So remember that whenever one stock rises too high in price due to positive sentiment, the holdings have to be trimmed to balance out the risk. In other words, when a stock becomes too heavy inside the fund, it creates an imbalance, and this reflects the way ETFs operate in general, meaning the ETFs buy the stocks on the dips and sell them when the price is on a run up. So what is the conclusion? Does Cathie Wood still believe in Palantir? To answer this question, we need to do a reality check. So right now, Palantir is still occupying the 11th and 14th place in the ARK and ARKW ETFs, and both have the shares of 48 and 44 companies respectively. So it simply means that Cathie Wood genuinely believes in Palantir, and this is something which media does not share or tells you or informs you about. So the actual fact right now is that ARK is still holding around $1 billion of Palantir stock. So the conclusion of this video is that you must do your own research and look at the big picture. I hope that you like the content of this video, and if you will like me to analyze the Palantir stock from a value-centric investment perspective, please mention in the comments below. If you would like to see such videos with my unbiased opinion and also my own unique style of analyzing stocks, please drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.